Hi, 皆さん. I'm going to talk about one more thing that we can do with the short form past today. Just like we practiced in the previous chapter, we can use the short form to talk about what we are thinking or about what someone said. So this works the exact same way with the past tense. We're just using the short form past instead of the short form present. Let's take a look. So first of all, let's think back to the quotations that we made in the previous chapter. So we had the short form plus と言っていました. So someone said blah, 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 blah. The blah, 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 blah being the part that's in short form. Short form plus と言っていました. So this と is like a quotation marking particle. It marks what somebody said or what somebody thought. And the 言っていました means like said that blah, 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 or was saying that blah, blah, blah. So we talked about in the last chapter, we could have a sentence where A-san says something like, 明日洗濯します. 明日洗濯します. And we can report on what A-san said. A-san は明日洗濯すると言っていました. So A-san is saying, I'm going to do the laundry tomorrow. And then we can quote, A-san said that he will do laundry tomorrow. So this is the pattern we have practiced up to this point. It's going to work the same way when we're talking about the past. Let's take a look at B-san. 昨日、寿司を食べました. 昨日、寿司を食べました. So B さんは昨日寿司を食べたと言っていました. So we use these quotations when somebody is talking about something that happened in the past and we're quoting them. So 昨日寿司を食べました means I ate sushi yesterday. So we're saying B-san said that she ate sushi yesterday. So it's the exact same structure. We're just telling somebody is talking about the past instead of talking about the present. Let's practice a couple. You can pause the video if you want. See if you can take a minute to figure out how you would put these in quotations. All right, let's try and check them. So he says, 暑かったです. It was hot. How can I put that into a quotation? So I can say he said it was hot. So 暑かったです. We're just going to chop off the です. 暑かったと言っていました. We can just chop off the です because this is an E adjective. How about the one in the middle? 太りました. 太りました. I gained weight. 太りました. How can we change? First, we want to turn it to た form, right? 太る、太った。太ったと言っていました。太ったと言っていました. How about the one on the top left? Or sorry, top right. So, テニスをしませんでした. So first of all, we have a negative past tense, right? So we want to change to なかった form. テニスをしなかったと言っていました. How about the one on the bottom left? 子供の時、意地悪でした. 意地悪でした. So 意地悪 is a noun. 意地悪, we want to change the でした to だった. 意地悪だったと言っていました. And 公園で遊びました. 遊ぶ verb. The te form is 遊んで. The ta form would be 遊んだ。そう、公園で遊んだと言っていました。So, once again, we are just putting these into the short form and then we just stick on と言っていました at the end. So he said it was hot. She said she gained weight. She said she doesn't play tennis. She said she didn't play tennis. He said he was mean when he was a child. He said they played at the park. So someone said blah 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 blah. Is this と言っていました? In the last chapter, we also learned と思います. This is for when we give our opinion or a guess. So I think that blah 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 blah. Short form plus と思います. So for example, we can look at this picture. We're not quite sure what it is, but 靴だと思います. I think it is a picture of shoes. 靴だと思います. Or, it's very sunny out, so 雨が降らないと思います. I think that it won't rain. 雨が降らないと思います. In the exact same way as we made these sentences about the present tense, we can make them about the past. So, 去年、太っていたと思います。去年、太っていたと思います。I think that he was kind of chubby last year. とか、昨日の晩、雨が降ったと思います。So, 雨が降る、雨が降った。I think that it rained yesterday evening. Once again, to say that you think something didn't happen, we want to use the なかったと思います instead of と思いませんでした. So we don't really want to change this と思います. Let's just leave と思います. When we want to make it negative, we're going to change the verb that comes before, or the adjective or the noun that comes before. So I don't think it rained. 雨が降らなかったと思います。降らなかったと思います。Let's try some. So Hanako-san tries out this shirt. She thinks that it looks nice. I wonder. Hanako-san は青い服を買いましたか? 買いましたか? If we think yes, we can say, はい、買ったと思います。Yes, I think she did buy it. If we think she did not, we could say, いいえ、買わなかったと思います。So, なかった form plus と思います。買わなかったと思います。How about this? 太郎さんのテストは良かったですか? 太郎さんのテストは良かったですか? If we think that it was good, we could say, はい、良かったと思います。If we think that it was not so good, we could say, いいえ、良くなかったと思います。So we are following the same pattern as we followed before, the short form plus と思います. We're just talking about something that we think about what happened in the past, what happened before, instead of in the present.